Shortest marriages in Bollywood celebrities. Samrat Dahal and Manisha Koirala. Manisha's Bollywood career was ruined because of her disturbing love affairs. Finally, she chose to tie knot with Nepal-based businessman Samrat Dalal. Shockingly, Manisha dated 11 men before she married Samrat in 2011. Unlucky in love, Manisha had a rough divorce after 2 years. After that, she went into depression and started taking drugs and alcohol daily. Karan Singh Gill and Malika Sherawat. Very few Bollywood lovers know the sizzling actress Malika was married once. Yes, shockingly, she had a short and secret marriage. Malika Sherawat and Karan Singh Gill got married in 2000 and got divorced after 1 year later. Malika's ex-husband Karan Singh Gill was a Delhi-based pilot and settled in abroad. Malika never wanted to reveal about her marriage. Rekha. Evergreen beauty of Bollywood, Rekha decided to tie knot with businessman Mukesh Agarwal in 1990. They were leading a happy life and Rekha was also recovering her past love affair with Big B. But suddenly Rekha's husband Mukesh committed suicide out of depression. This is still a mystery because Rekha and Mukesh was the happy couple of B-Town. Rekha lost her beloved husband within 1 year of their marriage. Pulkit Samrat and Shweta Rohira. Fukre fame Pulkit married his long-term girlfriend and Salman's Raki sister Shweta Rohira in 2014. Within few months after marriage, Pulkit got involved with his co-star Yami Gautam. Big-time flirt, Pulkit was caught red-handed. For his extramarital affair, Pulkit's marriage was broken within 9 months with some nasty legal fights with Shweta. Karan Singh Grover and Shraddha Nigam. TV couple Karan and Shraddha had a short marriage because Karan was nowhere a loyal husband to Shraddha. This couple got married in 2008 and within 10 months Shraddha filed their divorce case in court. After this divorce, Shraddha had no good term with Karan and happily married with another TV star, Mayank Anand. Karan Singh Grover and Jennifer Winget. After getting divorced with first wife Shraddha, Karan got involved with another beautiful TV actress, Jennifer Winget. Their marriage didn't work due to some personal reasons and both moved on in their own way. Karan's second marriage also ended after 2 years. Karan is now happily married with Bollywood dusky beauty Bipasha Basu. Kabir Bedi. Pooja Bedi's father Kabir Bedi got separated from his first wife Protima Bedi after 3 years of their marriage. Ali Merchant and Sara Khan. Their marriage was just a publicity stunt for national TV and it stayed only for 2 months. This is the shortest marriage ever. Sara confessed that she was having a disturbing life with Ali Merchant. Sara herself filed divorce case against Ali. Chahat Khanna and Bharat Narsinghani. This cute TV actress got married to Bharat in 2006, but she was physically and mentally abused by her husband. This actress decided to end her marriage within 7 months. Sajid Nadiawala and Divya Bharti. Divya was just 19 years old when she decided to tie knot with director Sajid Nadiawala. Unfortunately, the marriage ended within 10 months when Divya Bharti fell off her apartment. Kishore Kumar and Yogita Bali. Kishore Kumar's third marriage with actress Yogita Bali ended within 2 years. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.